Here I have ALCATEL 3X 2020, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So firstly, you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be settings list. And the first method to take screenshot is to press combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time, like this, to take screenshot. Let me show you one more time. Power key and volume down. And that's how you take screenshot. You can also take screenshot by going here at the upper bar, and here you have this button, screenshot, and it works the same way. You can find your screenshot in gallery, in the screenshot album. Here it is, and from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.